Bro. I'm killing everyone. Holy sh. Hey guys, welcome back. Alright, so I'm filming this after I just did the video, and it is pretty crazy, I'm not gonna lie. You're gonna wanna watch till the end. Some crazy stuff happens. Let's go get ourselves a bounty. Alright. Oh, perfect timing, look at that. Is he coming out? What's going on? Oh no, he's still in there. Hey, man. Is he AFK? What's going on? Hey, bro. Whoa. Just don't look back. That wasn't us, guys. Oh! God. Looks like someone's having a haircut over here, so unfortunately for him, so are we. Okay, that looks like it's his car. Park over here. Let's go in. Just gonna, don't mind me, don't mind me. Perfect. Perfect. Perfect, dude. Go. We need Ghost. We need a Ghost. Alright, we're off the radar.
Is this really happening?
Shut down this door. How do you shut this door down? Flare gun. Oh no, shit. Alright, let's just throw a sticky bomb in there, see what happens. Dude, alright, let's just wait for him to come out. Alright, we're off the radar for minute 30. So we just chill here. Screw this, man. Screw this. No. Dude. Can I have my haircut?
Bye-bye, beautiful.
Oh. Terrible timing. Go, 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 go. He's in a cutscene. He's in a cutscene. Go, go, go. Run, run, run. Oh, he's gonna see the sticky bomb on the door. Oh, what? Dude. Around the corner, around the corner. Is he coming out? Here we go.
Fuck me! No way!
What the hell? Oh, he's in passive mode. Dude, no. You can still see the sticky bomb in there. No, dude. God damn it. Alright. Oh, that was a fail. Hey! So pretty much to recap, we just kidnapped someone and tried to dump him in the bottom of the ocean. However, we failed, so the only logical thing to do would be to try again. Let's try to get one. Holy moly, there's a lot of people here. Someone, get in. What the hell's going on here? There's a bounty here. Dude, I'm killing this. Should I? Nah, I won't. Because then happens. Dude. Hold up. Got an idea. Hold up. Oh, this is gonna be perfect. Oh, this is gonna be amazing, dude. Merryweather, what am I doing? Come on, man. Come on, man. Oh, there's a modder here.
Merryweather Security Consulting. How can I help?
Airstrike, yep.
One of our aircrafts will be with you
Oh,
shortly.
this is
Please
gonna
throw a
be...
flare so the pilot knows where to
This is
target.
gonna be amazing. Alright. Okay. Oh, crap. Run. Run! Run, dude! Oh, everyone knows what's going on. Dude! Oh my god! This is chaos, bro. Did I kill anyone? How did everyone survive that somehow? This guy's modding. I bought my own car, so, you know. Hey man, can I hop in? Let me in! Let me in! Well, all that's left is to, hey man, let me just come here. Come here, bro. Oh, this guy wants to go. Hold up. Dude! Okay. That guy's modding. Should we just... Nah, you know what we're gonna do? So we're just gonna suicide bomb him, I reckon. I don't know which one it is. We're just gonna do it to someone, alright? Get a bit more of a run up. Hey guys. I didn't even see what happened. Hey, bro. Is he AFK? Dude, he was getting out of the car. He knew straight away. I panicked. Hey. No! Dude! Come on, get up! Bro, what is happening right now? Oh. Is that him? Yep, that's him. That's him. Come on. Dude. Chill. Dude, I need to hide from this guy. We're going off the radar. I don't know why I didn't think of this sooner. Gonna go off the radar. I'm an NPC, bro. I'm an NPC. Oh my... Dude, holy... No! Drive! Oh my gosh, this is crazy. Dude! At least he can't kill me. Oh, this guy's gonna stop, is he? Bro, please, can you just give me a second to get upright? Oh my... Do I have sticky bombs? I can't even access the... Alright, I'm getting out, dude. I can't move. Bro. Leave me alone. What the hell is going on? Dude! Alright, well I'm off the radar, so he doesn't know where I am. Okay, never mind. He knows exactly where I am. Come on. Hurry up. This is my only chance. This is my only hope. Come on. Fly, dude, fly. Go up. No, come on, dude. Come on, dude. Oh. Did he leave the game? Unless he's off the radar. Oh, I think we're good. Alright, well, let's end the video by crashing this helicopter into this bounty. That seems like a reasonable way to end the video. Oh, he's under the bridge. This is going to be kind of annoying. Where is he? Yeah, I see you, bro. I see you. Get him! Oh, with the blades! Dude! Alright, leave a like for that. Bro. Not even smoking. Helicopter undamaged. Just fly away. To end off the video, I'm going to give you a random word. Just a completely random generated word for no reason whatsoever. The word is diagram. So, do what you want with that. Comment it down below if you watched this far. Hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I'll see you in the next one.